Hey guys, it's Loyal Supersat99 here, and I'm opening up a Shining Legends Premium Powers Collection box, and I'm going to get it open right now. As you can see, I grew 4 arms, because somehow I'm recording myself opening up a box, and struggling to open it a lot. That was a very hard box to open. Alright, we get all this stuff out. Don't care about that box, just drop it on the floor like that. I'm so scared to get these, promos bent. It's gonna be a struggle to get these promos out. Oh my god, look at the beauty. How am I gonna get these promos out? Guys, this is, oh my god. Guys, I'm scared. Oh my god, I got one out. I did it. Oh my god. There's the Ho-Ho Rainbow Rare. There's that. How do I get this one out? There we go. Got that one out. Throw this piece of plastic to the side. Grab all these boosters. Alright. Got some boosters here. Oh my god. That was the most struggle I ever had to open up a box. Alright, I'm going to throw the promo card down there. There's the code card. Throw that to the side. Alright. Now I'm going to get this. Like that. And here we go. Alright. So here's the Shining Legends packs. I really want to pull a full art Rainbow Rare Mewtwo, because it's probably the coolest card in the set. If not one of the coolest. I can't even get this pack open. Today is a struggle. Alright, finally got it open. Finally got it open here, alright. There's the code card. Again, a holo is guaranteed in every one of these packs. And I don't remember the card trick for this pack at all. So here we go. Alright, I did it right. Thank God. We got the Darkness Energy, the Great Ball, Pokemon Catcher, Double Colorless Energy, Larvesta, Torkoal. That's a region exclusive in Pokemon Go. Ivysaur, Zora, Litten, Pokemon Breeder, and the final card, a Shining Jirachi. And that Jirachi is textured. Just Jirachi. Throw that to the side with all the promos that we'll take a look at later. And then get into this here. There's another code card. I'm gonna go forward to the front. We get the Fire Energy, Spiritomb, Damage Mover, Volcarona, the Litten, Quillfish, Shroomish, Golett, Purloin, Litten Reverse, and the final card is Palkia Holo. That's not very fun. Alright, we're going to get into the next pack. Oh my god, these packs are like sealed shut. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it. Look at that. There's that. The Rainbow Rare Mewtwo that I'm trying to pull, or hopefully going to pull, is like $60 in the card stores. If you go to one of your local card stores. How? Damage Remover, Scrafty, Purloin, Plusle, Stunfisk, Minimum, Beazle, Breloom, Reverse. The next card is Zekrom Holo. Throw that to the side. Throw those down there. Get into the next pack. Alright. I can't even get this pack open. Man, these packs are so hard to get open. I can't even do this. I've never struggled with packs so much in my life. Scraggy. Gotta pull up his pants all the time. There's that code card. And then we'll go forward to the front again. We'll hit that Psychic Energy. Scraggy. Floatzel. Electrode. Scraggy. Croconaw. Jinx. Pikachu. Ekans. Yavaddle. The final card is a Hoopa. Holo. Again, holo guaranteed in every single pack. So you want to basically get anything that's not a holo. Alright, there's the other code card. And then there's 4 to the front. Got the Fairy Energy. Venusaur. That Ultra Ball. Damage Mover. Mining again. Orvesta. Torkoal. Ivysaur. Zora. Torkoal Reverse. The final card for this pack is Shaman Holo. Get on to the next one here. Gotta get that blue Mew. I can't do this. This is so hard to open. Rip that back apart. Alright. Get that code card in there. And we'll do forward to the front again. We got the Fire Energy. How. Switch. Golurk. Quillfish. Zora. Plusle. Bulbasaur. Ivysaur. Switch Reverse. And then the final card for this pack is... Oh! It's a Zoroark GX! That's better than the holo. Alright. Get into the next pack. There's the code card. Got the Darkness Energy. Got the Golurk. Hau. Feraligatr. Jinx. Pikachu. Ekans. Torracat. Breloom. Arbok Reverse. The final card is Marshadow. Holo. Alright, get that out of there. And then we're gonna go here. There's the code card. And then, man, there's a lot of garbage here. Get the Fire Energy. This is also our last pack. Spiritomb. Super Scoop Up. Energy Retrieval. Quillfish. Shroomish. Golett. Purloin. Plusle. Golett Reverse. And then the final card for this pack is Shaman Holo. Alright. Put that to the side. I'm going to show you guys the promos that we got from this box. Which comes with this Pikachu here. That's got a lot of like sparkly dots in it. And then we got Shining Lugia, one of my favorite cards from the Shining Legends that you can only get as a promo. Then you got this Ho-Ho, Rainbow Rare. And then Shining Celebi. And that's all. And then, you know, you get this big giant Ho-Ho card of the Rainbow Rare. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I don't know what I'm going to be opening yet, but I'll soon decide. And make sure you guys like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you later.